Hi, I'm Vivian, and welcome to Red Buffalo Park. Come on, let's go check it out.
I love skiing here with my family. The views are awesome. The runs are fun for all of us. And the Red Buffalo Express lift gets you back to the top in just 4.5 minutes. There's so much to explore. Be on the lookout for hidden runs in the Kids Adventure Zone. I really love looking for the snow sculptures. They're so cool, and they give us even more to discover.
Red Buffalo Park is an exciting addition to Beaver Creek because of all the ways it elevates the beginner learning experience. And did we mention the spectacular views? The rolling terrain is perfect for teaching beginners. Like here at Upper Shoeport, one of the signature trails at Red Buffalo Park that is designated as a ski school skills zone. Here, guests can perfect their skills on wide open terrain. It's time to partake in one of Beaver Creek's favorite skiing traditions.
Yup, you guessed it, the Cookie Cabin. Located at the top of Red Buffalo Express, the Cookie Cabin is a great stop for instructors and their students to warm up and enjoy a sweet treat. Beaver Creek's signature, fresh baked chocolate chip cookies.
See you this winter at Red Buffalo Park.